we're gonna give you guys our first pull right here down the street. Shit. Make sure you guys get your muffler deletes at Merced Radiator. If you guys are local in my city, Merced, California, make sure you guys hit up Ricardo, let him know your boy sent you. At the one with the YouTube channel. What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Brian Zera, man. I'm coming back to you guys with a brand new fucking banger, man. So it's been a minute. It's been like 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks that I haven't uploaded. That thing's crazy. I won't do you guys like that no more, but I've been slacking. It's kind of hard of thinking of good content for you guys. I don't want to just drop any type of video and not get the views, so I'd rather drop one good video and get the views. So right now we are actually in my brother's Widebody Scatpack, man. We in the Big Toro red. Hopefully you guys can see the hood. You know, it's Big Toro. So we are gonna do a muffler delete on my brother's 2022 Widebody Scatpack Big Toro, and we're currently on the way to the shop right now. It is local in my city, so if you guys want to get your muffler delete done, make sure you guys hit them up. And I will drop the adding once I get there, and we'll let you guys know if they did a good job for you guys to go. If not, then you guys know not to go. But stay tuned. Like I said, we are going to be doing a comparison video as well on my brother's Widebody Scatpack. Compare to mine, which one sounds better. Who knows? It might be a difference. We might be the same shit. So we going to find out, and we going to test it. We going to have them next to each other, lined up, give you guys a couple revs. But we'll give you a little quick flyby right now. Wait for this car. Hopefully you guys can hear the exhaust, and right now we'll put it to sport, open up the pipes, let it hit real quick. I mean, hopefully you guys were able to hear that. It is the stock mufflers, and that's what it sounds like. Let's go ahead and give you guys a little downshift so you guys can hear it. Okay, you can hear it a little bit. It's not too bad, but like I said, we do want the car louder, and you know, let's go ahead and turn up the windows. We do want the car louder, so we are going ahead and removing the mufflers in the middle of your Scatpack. So if you do have a Scatpack or any type of vehicle, always go with the ones in the middle, because it always gives you the louder sound instead of taking off the ones in the back. If the ones in the back, try to take them off, they really won't give you the sound you want. So go ahead and take off the ones in the middle. You guys are gonna get the sound you guys do want. But yeah, we're almost close to the shop, and we're gonna see if they can take us in. So make sure you guys stay tuned, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in a bit. All right, you guys can see Big Toro. We are at the shop. You guys hear it, stock, and you guys notice the difference. Boy, stock. You guys can hear the idle, and that is on eco right now, because the car, we have it custom on eco. So anytime you turn on the car, it does go on eco. So it does close the valves, so the valves are shut. So you really don't get the sound you want. But they're gonna go ahead and jack them up right there. But yeah, 2022 mid muffler delete on a Scatpack Widebody. Stay tuned. We're at Merced Radiator Shop. You guys know where to come. It's on eco right now, so it might not sound as loud. Oh yeah. Hopefully the audio could pick it up. There. That shit's on eco, so we'll go ahead and open up the valves when I get in there. I'll put that bitch in sports so you guys can hear it. But yeah, shit sounds good as fuck. What do you think, cuz?
It's crazy.
That's where Brody hit the welds, installed that pipe. Yeah, make sure you guys come check them out. Merced Radiators in Merced. And yeah, they did hell of a job. Make sure you guys come check them out. It's not bad for $150. Make sure you guys can check them out. Let them know I sent you. The one with the red Widebody SCAT. And hopefully they remember. Well, again, it's content too.
I'm gonna run that.
I'm gonna rip it right now once I'm in that bitch. Yeah, make sure you guys come to Merced Radiator Shop right here in Merced. And come talk to my boy Ricardo right here, and he will get you guys right. Make sure you guys let him know that the guy with the red Scatpack sent them over here. And they'll take care of you guys for sure. Alright guys, so we do have the big Scatty. This shit is sounding nice as fuck. Alright you guys, we're gonna go ahead and take off. You know, we do got this bitch in the track, and you know, gas is fucking expensive. My brother might kill me, but this is for the video. So we really gonna see what the Scatty sounds like with the pipes open. And we're gonna give you guys our first pull right here down the street. Shit. That boy gonna be happy. One more time.
It's more safer.
Sheesh. Let me know down below if you guys like the muffler delete. I am gonna be doing a comparison video as well. I might not be able to add the footage in this video because my brother is not here, and I can't be doing both cars at the same time. So hopefully you guys will probably see the clips in another video. Or I might just make a whole separate video of the 2022 and a 2021 Widebody Scatpack with the mid-muffler deletes. What's the difference? Do they sound the same? What's better? Who's better? And make sure you guys stay tuned, because you know we do got this muffler delete now on Toro Red, and when we cruise it's going to be sounding a lot better on the highway as well, because you know it's silent. I'm going to give you guys another pull. Oh yeah, yup, she's screaming. She's screaming, Danny. Yes, sir. Give you guys a downshift. My brother's gonna love the Scatty. He's gonna love it even more, Danny.
Yeah, man.
Why did we do it? Mandatory, man. Make sure you guys get your muffler deletes. Can't even talk because I'm trying to hear the muffler. Make sure you guys get the muffler delete at Merced Radiator. Let Ricardo know that your boy Brian Zera sent you. The one that does YouTube. The one with the red Widebody SCAT. The one with the smoke show SCAT. You know, this is my brother, so it's not mine, but he knows. I told him. Damn, this shit sounds so clean. Hopefully this audio can pick it up, man. Sheesh, bruh. Shit too fucking clean, bruh.
Shit, mine.
Shit too clean. Alright guys, we're going back to auto just to see what it sounds like. You know, we are closing up the pipes. You know, not everyone always want to drive in track or sport. So let's go ahead and hear it out. Sounds a lot quieter, that's for sure. Alright, you guys, we're gonna get back to the crib and then I'll give you guys a little few more revs so you guys can hear it. And yeah, shit's a fucking must-do mod. Only $150 just to get your car sounding different. Shit, you can't beat that, that's for sure. So make sure you guys get your muffler deletes. If you have a wide-body Scat and you're debating whether to get it or not, it's mandatory, man. Don't even hesitate and do it. Mandatory.
She sound right.
Now we're gonna go ahead and put it closer. Hopefully they don't fuck up my audio. We'll see. That's what it sounds like on idle. We're gonna go ahead and turn it off and give you guys a little. We're gonna turn it off and give you guys a little remote start and see if it pops right now, since it is hot, about 100 degrees. And we're gonna see what it sounds like. Sheesh, that bitch sound nice as fuck. Make sure you guys get your muffler deletes at Merced Radiator if you guys are local in my city, Merced, California. Make sure you guys hit up Ricardo, let him know your boy sent you. The one with the red SCAT, the one with the YouTube channel as well. And yeah, we're going up all 2022. Make sure you guys subscribe on the road to 5K. We'll see you in the next video.